think I see Mr. right up here. A crow is going by. Here he is. He called Missy a minute ago, but he decided he better fly in and check on her himself. He's looking away from us. Wait, is that Mr. You looking toward us now? I think so. Well, come bring Missy some dinner. She's sitting there waiting for you. They're waiting. Over here. She's sitting there in the tree. Did she see you yet? I don't know if she saw you or not. I see him, Missy. That crow is over there. There you go. Chase him away. There you go.